friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and staying at home. The best part of being at home is watching movies and listening to songs. Now imagine a situation when you and your partner wants to watch a movie or listen to a song on the same device, but you are not able to connect multiple headphones with the same device at the same time. If you have faced this issue earlier or you are able to connect this with yourself, then this video is for you. Now this can be achieved even without using any external app. Keep watching this video till the end to find the simple solution. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more such videos. Now let's get started. So here I have a Realme X phone, my Bluetooth headphones, noise shorts and a wired earphones. We have to connect both these devices with my single phone at the same time. Now let me first connect my wired earphones. As we can see the symbol here, the earphones are connected. Now I am connecting my Bluetooth headphones. We can see the symbol here. My Bluetooth headphones and my wired earphones both are now connected. Now let me play the music. My Bluetooth earphones are playing the music. But my wired earphones are not playing. Now let's see the solution to this issue. Go back to the home screen. Click on the settings option in your phone. Scroll at the bottom. Click on Realme Lab. Now there is an option which we can see on the screen, dual mode audio. Click on it. We can see that the mode is off. Turn on the mode. As we can see here, our Bluetooth option is ticked and wired earphones option is unticked. Now we want to tick both the options so that we can hear songs on both the devices at the same time. Now just go back. And let's again play the music. Now, both devices are playing the songs. This is my Bluetooth headphone and my wired earphones. Both the devices are now able to play the songs. Now please try this and let me know if you were able to connect your devices with your phone. Thank you for watching. Bye, have a nice day.